Beware of this fake veterinarian. Credit sa post si Doc Red Manangan. He shared this post na meron daw nang sa-scam ng mga veterinary clinics na vet kuno na nag-a-apply sa Pampanga area. And this fake vet is claiming na graduate daw siya ng CLSU and batch 2017 daw. Ang malapit pa dito, meron siyang fake PRC ID. So here's a close-up of his fake PRC ID and a close-up of his face. Ang name niya is Adan and last name Talavera. And ang ginagamit niyang license number is 10,119. Let this be an awareness to my fellow veterinarians, licensed veterinarians, mga fur parents, and mga vet students dyan. Please share this video for awareness. This is actually a serious matter kasi hindi naman basta-basta magkaroon ng lisensya at maging vet tapos merong ganito nagpepeke. Sa totoo lang, kawawa ang mga fur babies na na-handle niya. So I hope rin makarating to sa PVMA kasi this is a serious matter. So please share this video for awareness.